Hey guys, I'm cooking. I'm cooking dinner. I'm cooking wedge fries and hot dogs. Not that many hot dogs because I'm not really gonna eat. Oh, I said there's not that many hot dogs in there because we're not eating that much. And I'm not gonna show you because you don't want to be in that videos yet. Just not yet. Or at all. Well, while that's cooking, I'm gonna pause it here until it's ready or something. Okay, well, it looks somewhat like it's getting there. So, I'm talking to the camera. And like I was saying, it looks like it's almost done. Hot dogs are almost done. Bubbling in there. Hey, look, spaghetti. I don't want you to see what this thing up in that plate. Let me. How do I? Dang it! I want to open that, but I can't. Back to the food. Well, what you think? I'm such a great cook, you guys. Look at my outfit, my robe. Don't you like it? I'm just kidding. Well, wait, what am I doing? I'm just gonna sit here for a minute and just do random stuff. Okay, I'm done. But look at my amazing hot dogs and wedge fries. I'm gonna pause it here again. I'll be back later. Hey guys, I just found something that I should cook another time. This. That's a really big can. I have like 3 cans of those. Excuse me. Excuse me. Well, I'm pretty bored again after those couple seconds. But my food is still cooking. That's making more progress right there. I'm gonna pause it here again. Man, I can't wait until I can do a bunch more stuff. Like all these other YouTubers. But that won't be until for a little while. Well, yeah, a little while, or maybe a long while. But it has been pretty good so far, I'll say. But, what the heck am I doing? I have no hand. Well, like I was saying, sometime I'm gonna start recording gameplay. Like, what the? Oh my god, Jesus! There's a freaking moth in the kitchen.
Boy, you're gonna sit here.
That thing does. Jesus, that was very scary for me. It was really stupid. Like, there was a moth, and so I was sitting right there, like this. I was like sitting down here, and then so there was a moth that came in from over there, flew up right up there, and then fell right behind me. And then I got up. I was like, whoa. But my food is done. Let's see how it's looking. Excuse me, Mom. Look at that food.
You need to do something about them hot dogs. Turn the bill.
Okay. Fries are done. Turn this. Okay, hot dogs are done too. Well, goodbye.